Who is Frederick Winslow Taylor? Born March 20, 1856, died March 21, 1915. He was an American mechanical engineer. His industrial management system, known as Taylorism, greatly influenced the development of industrial engineering and production management worldwide. Taylor studied in France and Germany for 2 years and traveled to Europe for 18 months. Then in 1872, he entered Phillips Exeter Academy in Exeter, New Hampshire, and eventually went to Harvard to become a lawyer like his father. Taylor passed the Harvard entrance examinations with honors. However, due to rapidly deteriorating eyesight, Taylor chose quite a different path. With sight restored in 1875, he was apprenticed to learn the trades of pattern maker and machinist at the Enterprise Hydraulic Works in Philadelphia. In 1878, he became a machine shop laborer at Midvale Steel Works. Taylor was quickly promoted to time clerk, journeyman machinist, machine shop foreman, research director, and finally, chief engineer of the works while maintaining his position as machine shop foreman. While working as a laborer and machinist, Taylor recognized that workmen were working their machines, or themselves, not nearly as hard as they could, a practice called soldiering, resulting in high labor costs for the company. When he became a foreman, he expected more output from the workers. In determining how much work should properly be expected, he began to study and analyze the productivity of both the men and the machines. His focus on the human component of production Taylor labeled scientific management. Taylor's scientific management consisted of 4 principles. 1. Replace rule-of-thumb work methods with methods based on a scientific study of the tasks. 2. Scientifically select, train, and develop each employee rather than passively leaving them to introduce themselves. 3. Provide detailed instruction and supervision of each worker in performing that worker's discrete task. 4. Divide work nearly equally between managers and workers so that the managers apply scientific management principles to planning the work and the workers perform the tasks. The principles of the scientific method are enforcing standardization of methods, adopting the best implementation and working conditions, and cooperation so that faster work can be assured. And the duty of enforcing the adoption of standards and collaboration will rest with the management alone. Workers should be well selected and trained appropriately for each task. Taylor believed in transferring control from workers to management. He set out to increase the distinction between mental, planning work, and manual labor, executing work. Detailed plans, specifying the job and how it was to be done, were to be formulated by management and communicated to the workers. Because of his contribution, he was called Father of Scientific Management.